Over 4 months ago, a group of students came together with a goal of creating an event that would commemorate Freedom Day here in Hattiesburg. We wanted to do something that could be seen as a testament to the faith and fearlessness of Freedom Day veterans, those who marched on January the 22nd, 1964, and to commemorate their efforts to allow blacks the uninterrupted right to vote. Today, we are thankful to you for coming out in support of this event. Your presence tells the world that we will remember 1964 and its importance to our everyday lives.
So I use that as an example once again, that sometimes it's difficult to stand up for what's right. Sometimes we get discouraged. Sometimes we get disappointed. But please believe me that always, always, in the end, good triumphs over evil.
It shows how far we come. This is only 50 years ago. I mean, that's not too far away. So it shows how far along we have come, but it also shows how much farther we have to go and bring in equality.
We will remember Freedom Day 1964 for now and forever. God bless you, God bless this city, and God bless these United States. And as always, onward and upward.
Hold on, hold on. Well, the only thing we did right was the day we started to fight. Keep your eyes on the prize.